So now we're going to try and perform surgery on the front axle that I glued up cockeyed. So we have to lengthen, let me call it the tie bar for the steering linkage. I guess that's what it is. So we can straighten out the rims. So we're going to use a pair of God hand nippers. Got a very thin blade and they cut pretty straight too. So we're going to chop that in the middle, I suppose. So now we have that. So the plan is to drill these out, insert a piece to spread them out, and could use plastic, but I don't think that's going to be strong enough. So I have this copper tubing, it's actually a tubing, that is just about the same diameter. And then what it also lets me do is, got a small piece of wire. This is a standard size paper clip that's been straightened out. And it actually fits through there. So we will, gotta go this way. So we will drill out the tie bar so we can fit in the paper clip and butt up the copper tubing. So some of you will note that we've got copper and whatever this is, pot metal, steel. And I guess you'd have some type of electrochemical process for that, but I'll be long gone before that becomes a problem. So it is what it is. Not worried about that. So the next trick is to get the right drill bit for this puppy. We'll use the old digital calipers. Why it's giving me problems. It's like it's very tight. All right. So it says it's 0.81 millimeters or 0.79. So somewhere in between there. So we'll go 7.9. See what kind of drill bits I've got. That's an 8/8. Imagine there's some of you out there who know what that is. Looks like, oh, is that right? Number 68 micro drill bit looks to be the right diameter. It's actually 0.77. That could cause us problems, so all right. Looks like 67 is what we need. Number 67 micro drill bit. Survey says that should be the puppy. Might be too tight, but